Check the arrival list in 1 step. Theme and accessories are brackets, center and support aluminum, strip behind the tank waterproof, rubber strip machine expansion, screw golden self-tapping screw white, dovetail screw. Check the size and color again. Is it consistent with the order specifications? If you have any questions, contact customer service to deal with it. Basically, waterproof tape and answer plate, protective foam tear about 10 mm, round waterproof rubber stick. It around the edges of the endurance ear. Not that there is no front and back of the endurance ear. It is okay. Toss the tape on either side. Second step, assemble with endurance plate and bracket. First, it is important to not that side with waterproof tape is the reverse side, face down. When installing, then assemble the aluminum strip. In sequence, submersible tank, aluminum strip. Pay attention to the installation of diving tank aluminum strips after finishing the glass glue. It is being assembled, guaranteed link after assembling the diving tank aluminum strip bracket and aluminum strip. Externals brushing glass glue. Sealing is also required. Theater side bracket is installed in the same way. Pay attention. Before and after assembly, it also needs to be sealed with glass glue. The third step is to install screws. To reinforce the canopy, use the gold self-tapping screws. First, put side front and rear aluminum strips, reserve screw holes for locking and fixing, and silver dovetail screws in the reserve portion. Put the bracket under answer plate and diving tank aluminum strip locking and fixing. In this way, a single set of canopies is assembled. The fourth step is to install the canopy on. You will measure the installation section on the wall and mark it. The use and padroll punch holes in sequence at the installation. Gesting note: we come standard with them sure. Expansion screws, link yawning. CM no yin drill for hard. Solid wall slightly soft. Wall with no bar, drill bit after. Punching, use a hammer to pass the expansion screw through the canopy bracket over attach to wall. Then tighten the expansion screw, and the installation of a single group of upper walls is completed. Multi-group install the aluminum strip in bracket measurement after find the punching positioned. Then in mark it, then punch holes with impact drills. Then install the rear aluminum strip immersion plate. In turn, submersible tank aluminum strip. Pay attention to the sink before installation. It needs to be finished with glass glue and then assembled. Increase the waterproof sealing defect after assembling the front and back strips. Other side bracket, you also need glass glue. Install the expansion screw with a hammer. Reserve holes through the canopy attached hole. Then tighten the expansion screw and assembly. The completed thing is at gold self-tapping screw. Put the front sink aluminum strip and rear aluminum strip reserve screw hole lock and fix in silver dovetail screws in the reserve hole position. Put fabricate under answer plate and front sink aluminum strip are locked and fixed. No holes are reserved for rear aluminum strip position. Use wide dovetail screws to directly pierce and fix. Pay attention to the end where it meets through neutral glass glue and where the segment and bracket are connected. Neutral glass glue also needs to be filled, prevent water leakage during use.